Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best belt sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander with 4x36-inch belt, 6-inch disc, and cast iron base, 6502T. This 2-in-1 sanding machine is perfect for users who need versatility in their shop. It comes with a 4x36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, allowing for a wide range of sanding tasks. The belt tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, making it great for sanding edges, corners, and curves. The sturdy cast iron base prevents heavy vibrations, ensuring a stable and smooth sanding experience. Powered by a 4.3 amp motor, this sander delivers up to 3,600 RPM, which is more than enough for most woodworking projects. In terms of design and build quality, the WEN 6502T feels solid and durable. Weighing in at 37.8 pounds, it's not the most portable sander on this list, but it's perfect for a stationary setup in your workshop. The tension release lever makes it easy to switch between sandpaper grits, and the included dust port helps keep your workspace clean. It's a great option for hobbyists and professionals alike who need a reliable benchtop sander. The main drawback is its limited portability and somewhat coarse grit included out of the box. However, for the price point, this sander packs a lot of value and is ideal for users looking for versatility and precision in a stationary tool. If you're setting up a workshop and need a dependable benchtop sander, this one is worth considering. At number 4, we have the SKIL 6-amp 3-inch 18 belt sander with pressure control, 7510-01. This budget-friendly sander offers a surprising range of features for its price point. Its 6-amp motor provides solid power for sanding wood surfaces, making it suitable for most DIY projects. What sets the sander apart is its pressure control technology, which warns the user when excessive pressure is applied. This feature ensures consistent results while extending the life of your sanding belts. The microfiltration system is great for capturing fine dust particles, and the auto-track belt alignment keeps the sanding belt perfectly centered during use. In terms of design, the SKIL 7510-01 is compact and lightweight, weighing just 5.51 pounds. It's easy to handle and maneuver, making it ideal for smaller projects or tight spaces. The flush edge sanding feature allows you to sand right up to the edge of your material, maximizing efficiency. While it doesn't come with the bells and whistles of higher-end models, its vacuum compatibility and dust collection capabilities make it a solid choice for hobbyists and DIYers who want to keep their workspace clean. The downsides include less robust construction compared to premium models and limited power for heavy-duty tasks. However, given the price, this sander is a strong contender for beginners or anyone on a budget. It's great for light to moderate sanding jobs, especially if you're looking for a reliable tool without breaking the bank. Taking the third spot is the Makita 9403 4-inch by 24-inch belt sander, teal. Known for its professional-grade performance, this sander is a powerhouse when it comes to material removal. It features a 4-inch wide belt with a speed of 1,640 feet per minute, making it one of the fastest sanders on this list. The low noise level of 84 dB ensures a more comfortable user experience, especially for prolonged use. Makita's innovative labyrinth construction seals the motor and bearings, protecting them from dust and debris for extended tool life. Additionally, its ergonomic design includes a large front grip for added comfort during operation. In terms of build quality, the Makita 9403 is robust and durable, weighing 13 pounds. It's not the lightest sander, but its weight contributes to stability during use. The ability to sand flush to walls with its nose and side is a unique feature that adds versatility. The included dust bag is effective at collecting debris, and the overall design screams premium quality. The downside is the price, which tends to lean toward the higher end, and the lack of portability due to its size and weight. However, if you're a professional or an advanced DIYer looking for a reliable, high-performance sander for demanding jobs, the Makita 9403 is an excellent investment. It's ideal for large-scale projects where speed and efficiency are crucial. At number 2, we have the WEN 6321 7-amp, 3 inches, 21 inches corded belt sander with dust bag, black. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable belt sander, this is it. With a 7-amp motor that rotates the belt at over 13 feet per second, this sander delivers impressive power for its price. Its compact design weighs only 6 pounds, making it one of the lightest options on this list. The detachable dust bag helps minimize cleanup, and the lock-in safety feature allows for continuous sanding without needing to maintain a grip on the trigger. This is especially useful for longer sanding sessions. The WEN 6321 is designed for simplicity and ease of use. Despite its low price, it offers solid build quality and a user-friendly design. It's perfect for homeowners and hobbyists who need a tool for occasional use. The included 2-year warranty and nationwide support network provide peace of mind, adding to its value proposition. The downsides include a lack of advanced features and less durability for heavy-duty tasks. However, for light to moderate sanding jobs, this sander is hard to beat at its price point. It's a great choice for budget-conscious users who want a tool that gets the job done without unnecessary frills. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt 20-volt Max Belt Sander, cordless, brushless, tool-only, DCW 220B. This premium option is perfect for professionals who demand the best performance and convenience. The brushless motor delivers efficiency and long runtime, allowing you to tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. With 22% more power than traditional corded sanders in its class, it's capable of handling heavy-duty applications. The variable speed trigger and 25-speed selection dial provide precise control, making it ideal for a variety of materials. Plus, it offers up to 95% dust collection efficiency with the DeWalt airlock system, sold separately. The design is top-notch, featuring an overmolded auxiliary handle for comfortable two-handed operation. Being cordless, it offers unmatched portability and freedom of movement. Making it perfect for job sites or projects where power outlets are limited. Quick sanding belt changes and wireless tool control for compatible DeWalt vacuums add to its user-friendly design. The main drawback is the price, which is significantly higher than other options on this list. Additionally, batteries are not included, which means an additional investment is required if you don't already own DeWalt 20-volt Max batteries. However, For professionals or advanced users who need the best of the best, this sander is worth every penny. It's a high-performance tool designed for demanding jobs and large-scale projects. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.